Okay, I'd like to start with notes in first position warm-up. Yeah, the notes in the first position. We're going to be talking about the open strings. Okay, so we'll be playing the high E, the B string, the G string, the D string, the A string, and the E string. So here's the high E string. Right. Here's the B string. I'm pushing down with my pick, coming to rest on the adjacent string. Now the G string. Now the D string. Now the A string. And the low E string. You can see how I'm holding the pick with my fingers. And I'm pushing down with that pick. So then after we can play the open strings, we want to finger the strings. We're going to finger two notes on the high E string. We have open E, then F, and G. Yeah. So what we're going to do, we're going to play E, then F, and E, and G. We're going to do this in half notes. It's going to sound like this. Ready, go. E, first finger F, open E, third finger G. Good. Open E, first finger F, open E, third finger G. Right. Okay. Now we're going to talk about notes that are on the B string. We have B, we have first finger C, and we have third finger D. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to play B, C, B, D, 0, 1, 0, 3. 1, 2, ready, go. First finger C, open B, third finger D. Open B, first finger C. Open B, third finger D. Right. This is a really good exercise to get your pick hand working with your fingering hand. Your right hand working with your left hand. Okay, let's go to the G string. So there's the G string. And our second finger is going to play an A on the second fret. And it's just going to be 0, 2, G, A. Ready, go. Second finger A, open G. Second finger A, open G. Very good. Okay, let's go down to the D string. We have the D string. We have second finger is playing an E, and third finger is going to play F. Okay, now we're going to go 0, 2, 0, 3, D, E, D, F. As you can see on the fretboard, we're playing D, E, D, F, D, E, D, F. So be looking at this when you're playing. Okay, ready, go. Second finger E, open D, third finger F, open D, second finger E, open D, third finger F. Good. Now we're going to go to the A string. We're going to play A, B, A, C, 0, 2, 0, 3. Here we go. Ready, play. Second finger B, open A, third finger C, open A, second finger B, open A, third finger C. Now we're going to go to our low E string, and we're going to play E, F, and G. We're going to play 0, 1, 0, 3, E, F, E, G. Ready, go. G. Good. You'll notice that my fingers are nice and curled, and my thumb is flat on the back of the neck. Thumb is flat on the back of the neck. Okay, very good. Thank you.